This is the YU Yutopia. Some parts of this recording is shot back in June of 2020, so some of it might look like this. Anyways, this is a phone released back in 2015 and it's meant to be a flagship killer at just $400. The presentation of this box is really detailed. You have all the specs at the back, and in the front you have the word Utopia, and around the sides you do get some of the branding. This is a flagship cooler from 2015, and around $400 you do get quite a lot bang for your buck here. I will explain it after we unbox. So the lid just slides off and we have the phone presented at the top layer. The phone is presented wrapped in a plastic sheet for protection, and this is the fun part. Okay, so the first thing about the phone is that it's an all metal build. Moving on, we'll take off the lid from here to review the other accessories. So far the unboxing experience has been very sleek with a common identity. There are two rows, with one row with one column and one row with three columns. We'll start off with the small little box on the second column. Okay, so over here we have a USB charging brick. Nothing too special as the Utopia branding, it's just a 5W non-fast charging one, but the phone does support fast charging. We do get a micro USB cable as well as this box from Mali. If you don't already know, Mali is a audiophile company, it's an audio enthusiast type of company, and it's nice to see that they have this kind of headphone. This is one of the better, well-presented ones, and it feels premium right from the gate. Better than Apple or even the older Samsung one. Anyways, back to the point, let's check out what's on the other column. So over here we do have a packet, an insert, and inside here we do get a SIM ejector too. Inside this thing we get a screen protector. It's a plastic film one, not a tempered glass one. I don't know why they don't include a tempered glass one, but at least we still get a screen protector with a user guide as well as a clear case. This is not a clear case, it's actually a hard frosted case and has a matte coating which is nicer to touch. I had quite some troubles putting it on, but after it's done, let's boot it up. As you can see here, it runs on Cyanogen OS on top of Android 5.1 Lollipop. Yes, this still runs Android 5.1 Lollipop. On the front, we do get a 5.2-inch 2K display with over 600 pixels per inch, making it one of the sharpest displays on a smartphone ever. The back is made of aluminium as well as the frame. We do get our headphone jack here as well as our expandable storage, and we also get a micro USB port as this is back in 2015. This is a common thing to find. Anyway, put it back in the case and let's go through some of the details of the phone. First thing is the camera. The camera is a single lens, but then it can shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second with its 21 megapixel sensor and optical image stabilization. As you can see, there's also a fingerprint sensor right below the camera sensor or the lens. It is pretty snappy and reliable. Speaking of reliable, the front camera is also very reliable. It's an 8 megapixel sensor, but upon testing months ago, I can tell that this is one of the better cameras due to the software algorithm put in place. The phone is also very fast with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 810, which is about one generation behind in 2015. This phone is half the price with 80% of the performance. Thumbs up for that. I really wish I've spent more time with this phone if I didn't lose it at all. Back in 2015, the era with the iPhone 6s and the Galaxy S6, I would recommend this phone the most as it delivers so much value into such a compact piece and the price point. While we do have 2020 and 2021 variants of this phone like the Galaxy S20 FE, which I recommend to most people who is looking for a flagship phone, it is very refreshing to see a 2015 variant of it. With that being said, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.